Can you master latitude and longitude on GED maps? Have you ever looked at a map and wondered how those lines of latitude and longitude work? If you are preparing for the General Educational Development Test, mastering these concepts can be a game changer. Let's break down how you can get comfortable with latitude and longitude on GED maps. Latitude and longitude are the coordinates used to pinpoint any location on Earth. Latitude lines run from east to west and measure how far north or south a place is from the equator, which is 0 degrees latitude. These lines are parallel and equally spaced. On the other hand, longitude lines run from north to south and measure how far east or west a location is from the prime meridian, which is 0 degrees longitude. And like latitude lines, longitude lines, known as meridians, converge at the poles and are not evenly spaced. To master these concepts for the GED, start by identifying the map boundaries. Look at the corners of the map where you will usually find the latitude and longitude values. This will give you a sense of the range of coordinates the map covers. Next, focus on reading latitude values. You will find these numbers along the sides or corners of the map. They indicate degrees and may also include minutes and seconds. For example, 30 degrees and 15 minutes north would be written as 30 degrees 15 minutes. Now let's look at longitude values. You will find these numbers at the top and bottom or corners of the map. They are also expressed in degrees, minutes, and sometimes seconds. Once you have the values, it's time to locate a specific point. To find a location, match the latitude and longitude coordinates to the lines on the map. Start with the latitude line, which runs horizontally. Then, find the corresponding longitude line vertically. The point where they intersect gives you the exact location. It is also important to understand the different formats for coordinates. Coordinates can be expressed in degrees, minutes, and seconds, or in degrees and decimal minutes. Knowing how to convert between these formats can be very useful when working with various maps or global positioning system devices. Practice is key. Use sample coordinates to mark locations on the map. This will sharpen your skills in reading and interpreting maps, which is essential for the social studies section of the GED. Mastering latitude and longitude is not just about passing the test. It helps you understand geography better and navigate maps with confidence. The social studies section often includes questions about geography and map reading, so being familiar with these concepts will serve you well. By learning the definitions of latitude and longitude, practicing how to read these coordinates on GED maps, and applying this knowledge to find locations, you can become proficient in latitude and longitude for your GED studies.